With millions of Americans getting ready to travel this weekend, we've got the tools to get you on the next flight as others wait in line. Kurt, the CyberGuy, joins us now with more. Kurt, this is very interesting to me because Sean is taking off to Wisconsin to be up in the North Woods for his 4th of July time with the kids. So what websites does Sean and everybody else need to check before they get out to the airport and try and get on that flight?
Rachel, good morning, and that is the difference. Being at the airport and your flight gets delayed significantly or your flight gets canceled altogether, you jump in that long line or you try to rebook on the airline's app, and it doesn't always work out well. Well, one reason you might see some geeks on the next flight out, and while we're all still sitting on the ground, has to do with these little tools you should have on your phone before you take off. And the first one is Flight Board. This looks like the old-fashioned flight board that was at the airport that tell you the status of every flight. The reason you want this one is it'll show you, in addition to your flight, all the other flights leaving from the airport that you're at that very moment, and you can sort it by destination. So you might see another airline that offers a flight going where you want to go that's operating while yours got canceled, which is another reason not to check bags for Sean when he's going to Wisconsin. The next one is Expert Flyer. This is a subscription website. It's worth the $5. I think it was $5 last time I looked at it for the subscription on it. This is what the airlines see that you don't always see. This is the raw data that shows you exactly how many seats are left for sale on every plane, and it is a great thing to have in hand while you're sitting there with an agent either on the phone or at the airport saying, hey, I need to get to Wisconsin, to this particular airport. They'll say, oh, well, I'm sorry, we've got everything sold out. You show them what you just found on Expert Flyer, and they'll say, oh, I didn't see that. Okay, here you are. Here's your ticket. Go to gate 35. It's amazing how that tool can pay off, and it did for me just 3 weeks ago in Dallas. The other one is, hey, what other airlines have a seat for sale at this very moment, and at what price? ITA Matrix is a website few people know about. You can't buy a ticket here, but boy, you can learn everything about a flight that's available for sale. Then you go buy it from the airline. And then Live ATC is pretty incredible. You can hear what the pilots are talking about with air traffic control when your flight is delayed. That way you know, oh, I better start rebooking right now before the giant herd of everyone else start doing that. At cyberguy.com, I have all of those tools for you. Load them up before you fly so you have them just in case.
Thank you,
and hey,
Kurt.
don't subscribe until you're ready.
You've got
All right,
other
Rachel,
tips
take
on
care.
there, so go to his website. Thanks a lot, Kurt.